Hello, my name is Bas van Vught. I'm a surgeon in the Wilhelmina Hospital in Assen in the Netherlands. And today, no 360 or virtual reality video, but a video about a do-it-yourself splash goggles. Below is a link to a post which contains an instruction manual and the STL file for the 3D printed frame and the visor. First, the 3D printed frame, very simple, easily printed without support with the STL file, and the visor is made out of a overhead sheet. You can buy it with a local bookstore. This one is 300 microns thick, and the template is also included in the instruction manual. You can use to trace the outlines of the visor, then cut it out, perforate the holes to create this visor, which can go onto the frame like this to create your own splash goggles. And in combination with a protective mouth and nose mask, it helps to hold the droplets containing the coronavirus.